Alright, so here's what I got. I got an '04 PT Cruiser. Put the key in the ignition. Everything comes on. When I turn the key, nothing. Won't even let me turn the key.